Airborne Sound Insulation with Building Acoustics Pro app. Airborne sound insulation is all about the insulation, between rooms separated by a wall or floor partition, of sound transmitted through air. Despite being frequency dependent, the measured airborne sound insulation can be expressed as a single quantity. The sound reduction index is used to characterize the resistance to the passage of airborne sound between rooms. For this demonstration, we are equipped with omnidirectional speaker and 2 precision sound level meters, all seamlessly integrated with the BA Pro app. It's imperative to note that our sound level meters must adhere to the stringent Class 1 instrument standards specified by the IEC. Our journey includes a set of crucial measurements: noise level in the source room, noise level in the receiving room, reverberation time in the receiving room, background noise level in the receiving room. Upon entering the receiving room, our initial step involves measuring the RT60, which provides insights into sound decay time. The application will autonomously activate the necessary configurations within the meter and execute the measurement process. Once it's done, we also need to perform background noise measurements in the receiving room. Thanks to our wireless connection with the meter, we can vacate the room during measurements, ensuring that operator-generated noise does not interfere with the data. Now we are ready to measure sound in the source and receiving rooms. The measurements have to be carried out with at least 2 different speaker positions. Now, here's the icing on the cake. Immediately following the completion of all necessary measurements, the BA Pro app generates an instant report. This report is easily accessible, shareable, editable, and printable, enabling you to make informed decisions with confidence. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in our next video, where we continue to explore fascinating topics in the world of acoustics.